Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use promo money on PrizePicks step by step. First, log in to your PrizePicks account using the app or website. Promo money is usually added to your account when you sign up, use a promo code, or receive a special offer. This promo balance is separate from your regular cash balance. Next, choose the sport and players you want to make picks on. Select over or under on player stats just like you normally would. When you get to the entry screen, PrizePicks will automatically apply promo money first. You do not need to manually select it. If your entry costs more than your promo balance, the remaining amount will come from your cash balance. Confirm your entry and submit it. Your promo money is now in play. Keep in mind that promo money cannot be withdrawn directly. You must use it to enter picks. Any winnings that come from promo money entries usually convert into withdrawable cash, depending on the promotion rules. Always check the terms of the promo so you understand payout limits and conditions. That is how you use promo money on PrizePicks. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.